The flow meter is going to allow us to check how much flow is coming out of the pump, which is right behind me right here. That will be the best, safest way to do so. Hi, my name is Juan Pinedo. I'm the diesel instructor right here for Diesel Laptops. Currently, we're in South Carolina. Keep in mind, we do have different facilities in Texas and Chicago. So wherever you guys are close by, or you guys want to drop by, you guys can drop by either Texas, Chicago, or South Carolina. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, and comment for future videos. We all the time we read the comments in case you guys want to see more videos related to the hydraulics right here. So right now I'm gonna be introducing the hydraulics board right here. We're gonna be happy to introduce the hydraulic classes. Keep in mind we're gonna be starting off with the foundation of hydraulics. So pretty much we're gonna be going through all the different components that you guys see on the board right here. So in the near future, we're also going to do tech tips related to the individual components, how they operate, how to diagnose them, what they actually do in the hydraulic system. Another thing to keep in mind, make sure when you guys are dealing with hydraulic systems, you guys use the proper tools in order to diagnose. So tech tip number one would be, for example, right here we have the flow meter. The flow meter is going to allow us to check how much flow is coming out of the pump, which is right behind me right here. Now that would be the best, safest way to do so. As well, when you guys are trying to check to see if there's any hydraulic leaks, especially if they're internal, that's the hardest leaks to determine if they're internal. So the best tool to use is going to be over here. It's going to be the micro leak analyzer, which allows us to pressurize the internals of these valves, and at the same time we install a pressure gauge. So that's the only way we're going to be able to see if the pressure is dropping. If the pressure is dropping, then that means that we have an internal leak on any of these valves that we're actually testing with the micro leak analyzer. That's going to be the best method and the safest method, especially when we're dealing with hydraulics. Things could go south real quick, and we want to be as safe as possible. We want to go back home to our loved ones. So in this case, we're coming to the end of this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, especially if you guys want to see any more videos related to any of these components that you see right here on the board itself. Thank you. We appreciate everything you guys do for us.